Good evening, karon. Welcome to my vlog. Welcome to my tutorial. Is today we're gonna start the Java coding of in looping. Okay. First, in your Java IDE or IntelliJ Community Edition, tap here. This one, the new project. That's okay. This window, just click Java, name it, then IntelliJ, then JDK, our Java development kit. I want add sample code. Okay, and done. Create. Let's wait. Okay, here we go. Let's start. Yes, source file. This is a source file. Okay, first is you put in the source file our src. Put the click here plus sign Java class. Yes, class name is we will call it main. Here we are. Public class main. Don't forget about you type that public class main. This function name should be corresponded to the file name. Okay. Let's just type psvm tab. Okay. Right now we're gonna learn about looping. Okay. First is for loop. Okay. We gonna change the vowels of this word into asterisk. Our word is Bayang Magilio. Okay. First is we're gonna make the string. We're gonna put Bayang Magilio in a string. Big letter S, string, text equals to Bayang Magilio. Okay. Semicolon, don't forget your semicolon. Next is we're gonna add string final text, or our final text will be none or null. Okay, this is how you declare a for loop. Type for parenthesis. Okay, it is already given, as you can see, int I equals to 0. This is our initiator for this text here. For this I, it's an initiator. We're gonna initiate I is less than text length. Then I plus plus. Okay, let me explain it to you. Int I, this is the part of a for loop in Java. First, you put for parenthesis. Then this is the data type of the I, always int. Then you initialize it, so equals to 0. Then I, this is our condition. This code will run if the I is less than the text length. Okay, always remember to put -1 here, because the text length is much is in is added 1 to the I. Okay, it's to the length of the text is there is added 1. Then I plus plus. For example, this in Bayang Magilio, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You have 13 words. Okay? 13 words, 13 letters. That's our text length. But in Java, we start at 0. B is 0. This is 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. If in Java, we start at 0. So it will be total 12 letters only. So that's why minus 1, so it will be 12 because it's the code we start counting at 0, and the index of this B, letter B, is 0. Okay? So it's only 12 letters. Karon ato ang code. Vowels naman. So if okay, this is the built-in function of Java. Car at I. Okay. What does this do? Let's test it. To test this, we do printing. So println text that car at I. Car at is a built-in function of Java that scans the text by its index. Okay, if we call sample in Bayang Magilio, text that car at 0 is equals to B. Next, if car at to 3, count to B0, 1, 2, 3. It will be A. It will be A. So on and so forth until it will be 12. Text car at 12 is W. If you don't put 1 here, in our text length, it will be 13. It will cause an error because there's no 13 here. It's only 12. The text length of this text is only 12, not 13. So it will cause an error. So be mindful of that. To put minus 1 in the text length. Okay. That's the car at function, built-in function of Java to access the characters in a word or in a text. So let's do what we're gonna do. We're gonna change the vowels into asterisk. If text that car at is equals to A. Okay. Oh, another built-in function is, for example, it's only A. It only scans the small letter A. But what if there's a big letter A here? Like that. It will not scan it. It's still a vowel, but it will not scan it. So, what we're gonna do is put a 2 lowercase. As you can see here, this is for the text, for the string, built-in function for the string in Java. To lowercase to make it lower, to a lowercase, to string, make it into a string, uppercase to make it uppercase, and only that, to lowercase and uppercase. Lowercase. Is parenthesis that. Don't forget Okay, this is Java is case sensitive, so be mindful of that to correct the spelling. Now we're gonna put another is only a, so we're gonna add text that car at we just gonna copy this, so hard to type. Na e. Next is enter lang tala ni para di ta mawala. I na pod. See? IntelliJ automatically makes code for you. Oh, like that. All you have to do is tab. Bang. So easy. Another for you. Diba? Sayor kayo basta Java IntelliJ. Okay. We have our condition for the vowels. Now we're gonna start our code here. Oh, this is the code block for if. If this is true, all of this is true, or either of one of them, final text plus equals character, a single or a hyphen, a single hyphen. Yeah, a hyphen symbolize a character. So you put asterisk, then semicolon. Don't forget the semicolon. Next, ang else. Okay, final text. Katulad mga consonant na dili or dili vowels is katulad gyapon. Ang unsay na dani text niya. Ang dili way labot, dili vowel, so iibutan mo dani is text that car at I. Ana ra. Also, if you wanna print, if mag-print na mo, ayaw di sa sulod sa for loop. Okay? You're gonna put it outside the for loop. So, SOUT, tab, final text. That's it. That's how we're gonna use for loop. As you can see here, suggestion nyo. This is a suggestion. Just right click it, show context action, convert variable final text into string builder. It will be it's hard, but we will not go to that. Okay, that's all. You analyze it. So we have a string, then we have for loop it, we can loop it to iterate each characters here in the word if it's a vowel. If it's a vowel, you put a asterisk. If not, just put it there in the final text. And then let's run it. Let's wait. Okay, here we go. Bayang Magilio. All of the vowels have changed. Another A, here, I, and I. What if another word? A big letter A. Ang alaga ni Juan Ala Castro. Big letter A's, oh. So what will happen? It's building, just wait. Okay, it's asterisk all of it. All of the vowels. Okay, there's no exemption if it's a uppercase or lowercase, because we convert it into lowercase. If it uppercase, it will be lowercase. If it lowercase, still go to lowercase. Okay, that's it for the for loop. Next is the while loop. Let's just put a text here is OUT for loop. That's for the for loop. Let's go for the while loop. While loop. First in the while loop is you're gonna put a condition. So this is how you declare it. While what we're gonna do is still print it. Still gonna do this, but now we're gonna change it into consonants. Okay, we're gonna change the consonants into dash. Okay, while text that length will be less than 0, will be greater than 0, less than or equals to 0. We're gonna utilize a boolean run equals to true, while run or running, put running, while running int j equals to 0. This will be our counting. This is how we're gonna count the index of the text. Sunod is ato siyang i-char at text that char at j. Okay, ang char at ni j. So una is 0 muna. So una 0, then dire if magkopya rata, kopya na to kani kopya na to siya kaning if para data mag-sig code kapoy na sig code na to siya listan og j yung ay ani j na ang ato kay dili if vowels di siya muskan for vowels, muskan siya sa mga consonants. So to ray butang diri kay final text is equals ra ni text char at j. Dili so ray butang nimo. Di na kailangan mo for loop pa diya, di na kagana mo for loop if ingani mag while loop ka. So mo siya diretso j. Kay j ra man imong initiate dahil sa while loop, di ba? Dara si j oh. So mangita si j anang index, si char ata nang index ni j. Say number ibutan dani. So, karon kay ato ron siyang gibutang sa final text, di ara siya. Else if dili siya vowel, final text lista na to og dash. Ana. O gibali ra nato gani, di ba? If vowel siya, di na to siya, iscan na to siya, then ato ra butang diretso sa final text. Dire kay sa mga consonants naman, so either or if dili vowel, so butang na mo siya dash. Muna siya dani. Gibali ra to. But first is atong nakita lang is final text kay ito rin gi-plusan diretso. So meaning kato sa babaw dani nga ang alaga ni Ala Castro kay daro na naman dani oh. So meaning kato na ning gi-change yan og vowels. og asterisk or kani ang nasulod aning final text. So ito ang i-reason. Ito siyang isulat to siya sa while loop. While loop final text is equal to null. O pa isulod din na to sudlan. Okay. After ani kay tawa mag-gray ni siya. Mag-gray man siya. Kaya nga naman, na pula-pula pa. Meaning, si running, wala pa naman. Kailangan pa rin mo i-false si running. So, tanato lang eh. Or ano lang. Dili running na lang. Or nasa sulod sa tong. Kaya nasa suludan eh. Is J is equals na ni final ang J equals na ni text dot length ay na siya mundang. Okay, but napa siya error, di ba si J na butang sa babaw si J butang sa babaw daan para ato siya makuha na to siya para ma-apply siya diri nga condition dira si J pagawas na to kina orange lang kaya nga naman always false pa man so ito minus 1 na dali minus 1 na muta na to siya og J++ diri sa ubos boom. Tatog J equals 0 na. Wala na to ni. Kaya wala ni pulos de. Dara dito sa masyadaan de. Kani kay kinatay error gamay. Tata ni og south daan. Tato ni print south. Final text. J++. Equals mo de. If greater or equals na siya ni text.length. Bali de. Less than de. If J is less than or equal na ni text.length minus 1, muhuno rin siya. Tara na to. Seran. Ito na to sa error yan eh. Error. Wala yung gawas. Sa na to ni. So, let's first is analyze na to tanan na ito ang logic if sakto ba. Cancel sa na to. J0 text length dot minus 1 kanya to nabutan na lang. Okay, nawala tong dani dire is alara kato siya is ngano na ang error ani kay mag-while loop ang ka so magbutang kag J equals 0 lang kada mo iterate siya o kada mo bike siya loop lang si J 0 yapon ang print niya sige si kanira si A ang sige niya i-print kay 0 man so wala na to na okay it's done ito siyang i-play i-run kaduhan autoflow ara Okay na wala talang kay kaduha na autoblock. Hmm. Why loop is kanira? Ano man? Okay, so medyo para mahumantaan eh. Tara na itong boolean na lang. Boolean running equals to true. Na. Then, gani terus siya butag running. Running diha. And int ito tayo sa gawas o aw! Sakto ra dito gani ha. Okay na. Nara siya sa yop. Kaning final text is sa gawas ni. Ito yung sa gawas. Okay. Run na to na. Okay, di ara ang answer. Tanang mga dili vowels o kani tawag gibalira mga dash na tanan. Oh, nag-adjust tanan, nag-dash tanan. Butang-butang ni ang space. Kaya ang space na appeal ang space. So or text that to lower space. Dito butang to lower. Okay, dinagil na kaning space na ra. Kita na to. Okay. Okay, that's perfect. That's how you do while looking for loop diri sa Java. Always remember nga put the variables declare the variables outside the loop para di mag-error press mo gani ha. So that's it. So, thank you for watching. Next is magtuon na puta sa kani nga course ang gihatag karon lessons is to refresh your mind or to set your mind nga gikamog another language padung sa Java. So that's all. So next is we gonna tackle about functions. Okay, thank you.